welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to do a what's in my bag video. This is quite trending on YouTube, so a lot of doing my channel. I'm more of a backpack person. So as you can see, the bag has a lot of detailing in it. This gives it a beautiful look, as you can see. And I'll show you the back side. The back side also looks something like this. The side is also covered with all those detailing, and that's the chain. And this is it, the back side of the bag, just a leather form. And yeah, it looks really beautiful. And it has got two pockets, one pocket here and one pocket is here. Yeah, let's start the video now. As you guys have already seen how my bag looks like, so now let's see what's inside it. Bag with me here, and so I'm going to show you now what's inside it. So एक पिटारा है इसके अंदर, because I keep a lot of products, like a lot of things in my bag. I accept that I keep a lot of things, and see that what I keep. So let's start with, I have my phone that I sometimes keep in my hand or sometimes in my bag. So yeah, that's my phone. It's back cover. Yeah. So let's open the bag now. So I'm going to open the big chain first. Let's open it. So yeah, so the first thing that I can see in my bag, so just a disclaimer, I have not arranged my bag in a proper way, so don't judge me about that. I have not at all arranged it. बहुत messed up पड़ा है मेरा bag, so it's just like I've got some pouches and I've just fitted things in that. So it's also a COVID edition of what's in my bag, because now if we go out, we have to have some necessary things in our bag. So all of that are in this bag. So I'm going to show you what are those. So let's just start with, I have my perfume, that is Victoria's Secret Bombshell, that you've already seen in my previous video. That was a perfume haul, and I hope you enjoyed that video too. And today we are twinning also. I'm also wearing pink, and the bottle of this bottle is also pink. So yeah, that's my perfume, Victoria's Secret Bombshell. The next thing that comes in my bag is my small water bottle. Like, it's not a water bottle, it's like a glass, it's just a tumbler, and I prefer keeping these kind of water tumblers in my bag, because it hardly take any space, because I already have a lot of products in my bag. So I like to keep small little tumblers with me for drinking water. So yeah, that's my tumbler. Then I have my hairbrush, which is something like this, and this is the back portion of it, which has a Winnie Pooh design. So yeah, that's my hairbrush. Set करना पड़ता है अपना बाल. A lot of time you have to set a hair, because लड़कियों का बाल is बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाता है. So you have to set a hair always. So hairbrush, very important. Next product that comes out of my bag is my wallet, very important. So this is my wallet, cute little wallet of mine that says funny, and got a very cute keychain in it. So I don't have a lot of things in it. I just have a bit of money and a card, a time zone card, that too, because हमारे age में we don't have credit cards and all. We can just have a bit of money and time zone card. That is all that we can have. So next product coming up is my makeup pouch. So I keep a very small makeup pouch with me. So this is a pouch which my mother and me, we both use it, because we do our makeup and we go out, but touch-ups के लिए sometimes we require a makeup pouch. That's my makeup pouch, peach colored makeup pouch. So इसके अंदर is like ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, but I'm going to show you what is inside it. So a compact, okay, I have a Saint Laurent lipstick. So this has a backstory. My father went to St. Petersburg in Russia. He got it from there, and I was like, I love this brand, so he got it for me, and it's called the Saint Laurent lipstick. That is the shade Corail Antinomic. Please don't judge me on the pronunciation. I don't know the pronunciation, but yeah, that's the shade, and I'm going to show you the lipstick. So it's a very beautiful colored lipstick. That's the cover. And yeah, the lipstick is like a pink tinged lipstick. That's the color. It suits my outfit today, and it has also got a very beautiful fragrance with it, so it makes it even more better. Yeah. So next product I have in my makeup pouch is my eyeliner. Then I again have a Saint Laurent nail paint. That's the, I don't know the shade, let me just tell you guys. It's called the fuchsia. It is the shade fuchsia. Yeah, it's the shade. The next product that I have is like a blush on. My blush on looks something like this. It's called the Swiss Beauty Gradient Baked Blush, and it's got 3 shades in it. It has got, open and show you guys. It has got a white, baby pink, and the deep pink shade. So I carry these things because kabhi kabhar lag jata hai. So then I have my base, which is my foundation. It's a MAC foundation, and yeah, that's the bottle, and it's in SPF 15 that suits my skin color. So that's my foundation. Then I have my lipstick again. I got 2 lipsticks in my bag because 2 lipsticks are minimal required. One is from MAC, and it's in the shade, I'm going to tell you, it's the shade Red Rock. The color of the lipstick is something like this. It's pure red. So yeah, so that there were 2 lipsticks. Then I have last product I have in my makeup pouch is my mascara, and this mascara is also from MAC. It's black, shade black. That's the mascara. Yeah. So though my lashes are already like बहुत बड़े हैं मेरे lashes, but still sometimes लगता है कि लगा ही लेते हैं. So I carry my mascara also with me. Yeah, so that makes my makeup pouch full empty. As you can see, it's empty now, so nothing in it. So that was about my makeup pouch. So then next I have is a Dettol disinfectant spray, because it's very important during this pandemic, because it is very important disinfectant the things that we are carrying with us outside. Like nowadays we have to go out for some reason, so precautions are always very necessary. So I carry my disinfectant spray with me because it's very important disinfectant the things that I take out of the house so that germs don't come with me. So yeah, my disinfectant spray, I always carry this with me during this pandemic, and I request everybody watching this video to carry this, all the necessary precautions, to take all the necessary precautions during this pandemic, because we never know with whom we are coming in contact with. So it's very important to take some necessary precautions, as I said. So yeah, that was my disinfectant spray. Now coming forward, I have not a lot of things are left in my bag, but I'm going to show you. So again, I have one pouch with me. So it's a sequence pouch, as you can see. It has got 2 colors, sequence colors. So I'm going to show you. That's a very little pouch I have. In this, I basically keep my my products for my skin or some accessories. So I'm going to show you the products. So there are very little products in it, like just some basic necessity products, like suddenly we have a plan and हमें ready होना है. So I'm going to show you. So I got one bracelet with me, this normal bracelet, just if I want, in case I want to wear it. Then I have a lavender colored scrunchie for my hair. I love nowadays, during this quarantine, I'm in just love with pastel colors. So I got my hands into this lavender scrunchie, which just gets me. So yeah, my lavender scrunchie. Then I have a normal, like again, a ribbon shiny ribbon scrunchie. So yeah, it's a beautiful one. Then I have a small back clip. It's got a lot of detailing in it, as you can see. If you can see, a lot of detailing. Then I have my Vaseline, very important. So for our lips, it's very important. Vaseline. Then I have a bit of clips with me, crown shaped clips. कभी कभी काम आ जाता है. Then I have, so all my skincare or my hair products are in this, like basic जो products होते हैं हमारे accessories or some basic accessories that I have. So I try to organize them in one pouch so that it doesn't get messed up with other products in the bag. Then I have my little hair oil, this pouch. I love miniatures because it's very difficult for us to keep those big hair oil bottles. So these miniatures just cover up those. So this helps me, like if I'm out, like I'm traveling somewhere, I don't have to carry those big bottles. This just covers that up. So yeah, I got a very small hair oil pouch. Then I have my lip balm. I carry a lip balm with me. It's called the Nivea Original Care Lip Balm. The last product in this bag is my hand cream, which is says Studio Wear's Get Up or Go to Bed with Blooming Blossom hand cream. So that's my hand cream. I apply it daily when I go to bed. So like anytime, not specifically when I go to my bed, but anytime I just apply it and it just gives so much nourishment to my hand. So I love applying my hand cream. So yeah, I thought of applying it now also. So moving forward, I have little products left in my bag. So the most important product in my bag that is my very special to my heart, which is my, let me show you guys. So it's quite big. This is very special. It has a very special place in my heart. That's the cover. Yeah, it's quite big, I know. So that's the cover. Now a lot of people have already guessed what it is, but I'm going to show you guys what it actually is. So a very, very, very special thing that is very close to my heart, as I am again and again saying it. So that is, guys, that is my MacBook. So I got this Apple MacBook Air in quarantine only because my father was on ship, as he works on a ship. So he came back and gifted me this, and I'm in love with my MacBook. It just looks so cool, so classy, and it's so sleek. So it can be, आप कहीं भी fit कर सकते हो इसको, and just so much. I just love this. I can't describe it, but I just love my MacBook. So I'm going to show you how does it look when it opens. So this it looks very beautiful, and it's in my favorite color also. I love rose gold. So that's the MacBook. It's my favorite product in my bag, and it's the most expensive product also. So I keep it very, very safely. So yeah, my MacBook is with me. So I keep some accessories with me also, because MacBook accessories are required. So it's a very pretty bag also. I got with it. So it has covering. It has got some padding inside so that the laptop doesn't get scratches or something like that, even if you are traveling. And it has got a really little pouch in here, so you can fit some accessories of it. So I've got this charger. The charger of my Mac looks something like this. So I carry my charger. Then I have my like a cloth, just to sometimes it gets dirty, comes up, kabhi ganda ho jata hai. So I need to clean it. So I got a very little soft cloth for it. Then I have my then lastly I have my USB port for my Mac, because sometimes we need to attach something, a pen drive or something like that. Because Mac doesn't have those ports, I have to use these Mac USB ports. So I carry this with me. So yeah, that brings to the end of the MacBook thing. Now last almost I have completed my back pocket with this, so it's empty now. Now let's proceed to the last pocket of my bag, which is this. So it has very little things like जो बहुत छोटे छोटे चीज़ें होते हैं वो मैं इसमें रखती हूँ because ये बड़ा pocket नहीं है उतना, so it's like a small छोटा सा pocket. So first thing that's very important during this COVID situation is a mask, a must. So I carry my mask with me, and I love this mask just because of the multicolored thing it has, because it suits every outfit that I wear. So yeah, my mask, and I got this mask from Forever 21. You guys can also check it out. Now the next product that I have in my last pocket is my hand sanitizer, with a spray and sanitizer, because it's very important to take precautions, as I said earlier also. So yeah, my sanitizer. Then I have my some chewing gums. I have to keep some chewing gums with me because kabhi I don't like bad smell at all. I can tolerate bad smell at all, so I carry this chewing gum with me. Then I have some munchie. Like I am a total foodie, so I like carrying some munchies with me. So I have got the Cocoa Selection 74% dark Ritter Sport chocolate that I am in love with it, and I just love it. So I got one bar of it in my bag so that जब भी भूख लगेगा I can just have it. Then I have I think it's the last product. Yeah, that it's the last product of this video. So the last product that I have is my mints, and it's from Starbucks lemon lime mints. It's called as I said, it's called the Starbucks lemon lime mints, and that's the cover. So I love mints. I love mouth fresheners like chewing gum and something like that. So yeah, brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it a lot, sharing with you guys what's in my bag. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my videos as well as my channel. So like I'm thinking of starting a new trend in my channel, that will be like, if you are subscribing to my channel, please let me know in the comment section below, so that I can give you shout outs in my next video. I'm gonna give 2 people shout out in each video, so that I get to know who all are subscribing to my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and do let me know in the comment section so that you get a shout out in my next video. So till then, bye and see you again.